Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful Calla lily flowers. See this, how beautiful this looks. And for that we need just craft paper, scissor, earbuds. So let's start with this beautiful flowers. For petals we need this 7 by 7, for leaf 11 by 5 cm, and for stem 25 by 10 cm. So let's start. So here it is. See how beautiful this Calla lily flower looks, and see I have made in 2 colors. And this leaf pattern I have already uploaded the video. Please do watch that. I'll share the link in description. So I hope you like this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.